Hi, my name is Alan Warnick. I'm the director of CUNY Citizenship Now. Sorry for the delay in this presentation. We've had some technical difficulties, but I'm really pleased to be able to be speaking to you now on this really historic day and this great day for immigrant rights in the United States. Today was a really great day for America, a great day for CUNY, and of course, especially great day for undocumented youth. The Supreme Court has ruled in favor of President Obama's Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program and against President Trump's effort to end it. That means DACA will stay in place. Individuals who have DACA will be able to keep it. And we believe, though not right away, we believe that people who never applied for DACA but who qualify will be able to file applications. The court found that the Trump administration, failed to follow the appropriate procedures that are required under our laws for the promulgation and implementation of new regulations. The Trump administration has a right to try and do it right the next time, but that's a long and time-consuming process. Meanwhile, people with DACA will be able to keep that status. They will be able to work, and they will be able to be free from deportation if the only reason the government has to deport them is because they are here unlawfully. If you never had DACA, you should consider applying. We'll have more about this in the future. The decision is just only a few hours old. And as I mentioned, lawyers are still studying and considering it and trying to figure out exactly how best to push for individuals who have not yet filed applications when they should file, probably not right away, but certainly we're very optimistic that we can compel the administration to accept new applications. The decision by the court today is a result of a righteous and valiant struggle of undocumented youth. And it reflects an understanding by the court that the vast majority of Americans reject the jingoism and the jingoism and xenophobia promoted by many of our leaders. It is an important reminder for all of us who are struggling for justice that court decisions are not just impacted by the law and prior court decisions, but they're impacted by the sentiment that exists in our society and the struggle for justice of all peoples. Just as an historical example that I like to use in my classes, in 1896, many of you know that the Supreme Court decided a case called Plessy v. Ferguson. And in that case, the court ruled that it was acceptable to separate blacks and whites, and provided that the services or benefits that went to the blacks was equal to those that went to the whites. Of course, that was never true, but that's the way the court ruled in 1896. Then in 1954, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned that case of Plessy v. Ferguson, and the case is known as Brown versus Board of Education. The Constitution has Can you hear me now? I'm so sorry for that interruption. Let me tell you again that we here at Citizenship Now, CUNY's free immigration law service program, remain committed to help DACA recipients and all immigrants on the path to U.S. citizenship. Let me tell you again that we here at Citizenship Now, CUNY's free immigration law service. I'm sorry, we're going to have to redo this. This is not happening. I apologize. And all immigrants on the path. I'm so sorry. Let's see what I can do here.
Three.
Hi, this is Alan Wernick again. And I apologize for the technical difficulties we have. I truly appreciate all the efforts that CUNY has made to make this as easy as possible. But sometimes things don't work out as well as we would like to. But nevertheless, it's a glorious day. That's the most important thing. And we at CUNY Citizenship Now remain committed to help DACA recipients to figure out ways that they can get on the path to U.S. citizenship. We are very pleased to be able to provide all our services to free. You do not have to be a member of the CUNY community in order to get our services. And we're able to do this thanks to support of the Chancellery of the City University of New York, Chancellor Matos, to the CUNY Board of Trustees, to New York State and the New York City Council, who've been so generous with their support. If you have any questions about DACA or would like an appointment to see one of our attorneys, you should call us at 646-664-9400 or text us at 929-334-3784. If you never DACA and you want to consider applying, I just want to quickly mention the rules. You must have come to the United States before you're age 16. You must have lived here since June 15, 2007. And you must have been under 31 on June 15, 2012, when President Obama began the program. Finally, before I answer questions, I want to say that this is not the end of the struggle for immigrant rights, particularly for those undocumented immigrants who have DACA. As Chancellor Matos noted in his statement today, and he said, "This is a day to celebrate, but it's also a reminder we still need to do everything in our power to help persuade Congress to provide a path to U.S. citizenship for all undocumented people." CUNY is committed to that. Citizenship Now is committed to that, and I am committed to that. Thank you very much for listening. Again, I apologize for the interruptions, and let's see if we have any questions. Well, good. That means that we were as clear as we needed to be. We will be back with more information about DACA and other issues that impact immigrant students. So please follow us through social media, because DACA is here to stay. Thank you very much.